In this video, I'll walk you through both of these grammar check tools, compare their features, and help you decide which one's really worth your time. Stick around until the end, because I'll give you my take on which tool I believe is actually the better choice, and trust me, it might not be the one you're expecting. Let's dive in. First, let's start with Grammarly. This tool is arguably one of the most popular grammar checkers out there, offering a free and premium version. The free version covers basic grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. But what really sets Grammarly apart is its premium version, which dives deeper into things like sentence structure, tone, and clarity. It even has a plagiarism checker, which is a nice bonus for writers and students alike. The next thing to consider is ease of use. Grammarly's interface is clean and simple. It works seamlessly across various platforms, including browsers, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs. It's easy to integrate into your daily writing process, and many people use it as a safety net to catch mistakes before publishing. Now, let's talk about Hemingway Editor. Hemingway focuses on a completely different approach. It's designed to make your writing clearer and more concise. Instead of focusing heavily on grammar checks, Hemingway analyzes your text for readability. It highlights long, complex sentences and suggests simpler alternatives. It's great for improving the flow of your writing and ensuring your content is easy to read. The fourth thing we should compare is their cost. Grammarly can get pricey if you opt for the premium version, which gives you all those advanced features I mentioned earlier. However, the free version still has value. Hemingway, on the other hand, offers a one-time purchase for the desktop app, which means no monthly subscription fees. The online version is free, but it lacks some of the features of the desktop app. Another thing to note is how these tools handle the AI aspect. Grammarly uses AI-powered algorithms to detect more subtle grammar mistakes, and even suggests style improvements based on the context of your writing. Hemingway's AI focuses less on grammar and more on readability and sentence structure, so it's less about fixing your grammar mistakes and more about streamlining your content for your readers. The next thing to consider is their accuracy. While Grammarly is strong in grammar checks, it can sometimes make odd suggestions, especially in creative writing or informal tones. Hemingway, on the other hand, doesn't check grammar at all. It's entirely focused on readability, which can sometimes be a bit limiting if you need a more thorough grammar check. At this point, you might be wondering, which one should you use? Well, if you're looking for an all-around grammar checker with advanced features like tone detection and plagiarism checking, Grammarly is hard to beat. However, if your goal is to write content that's clear and to the point, Hemingway is a solid choice. But here's where things get interesting. While both tools are great in their own right, I've tried them both extensively, and if you're looking for the best tool for grammar checks, I'd recommend a better alternative. These tools are good, but if you want something that truly helps you with grammar, readability, and more, you should check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. I've personally tested this alternative, and it's been a game changer for me, offering a more comprehensive solution to grammar and writing issues. So, while Grammarly and Hemingway are strong in their own ways, if you want the best results with your writing, give the tool in the description a try.